those children gathered round the table to dig in, Daddy cleared his voice and said, then let's begin. Let us pray on this day of our dear Savior.
Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Man, what a mess got going on in here, huh? You know, this is a lot like our lives as a Christian. Think about it. We like to have our lives all neat and tidy, like a clean house. Our laundry done and folded and put away, and the floors swept and mopped, and all the dishes put away, and everything just to be really neat. And sometimes we think that when we become a Christian, our life is suddenly going to get organized, and everything about us spiritually is going to get all put in the right places. And a lot of times we portray that image to the world around us, and so non-believers think, because they see the truth, but they think that the Christians are walking around with their noses in the air thinking they're better than everybody else. But the reality of our walk with Christ is this: we are always in a state of constant remodel. You see, God is demolishing and destroying all the stuff the enemy and sin has built up in our lives, all the baggage we carry, and it's a constant remodel job. Because when you get done with this one area, he goes over here and he starts working somewhere else, and he starts working up here and down there, and so there's always all this dust and the tools and the material for the remodel going on. As a believer, we have to come to terms with the fact that we are in a state of constant remodel. We don't have our life together. Our act isn't all perfect. We're just people being remade and reshaped into the image that God originally intended for us to be. You see, remember, he did not intend for us to walk in sin. That's a choice that was made by man. We were born sinful. But when we receive the hope of Jesus Christ, we're giving him permission to come in our lives and start demoing the walls and tearing up the floor and creating havoc so that he can create us back into the image we were originally designed to be in. And we need to start being transparent to the world around us. Now, we don't need to live in that, woe is me, my world is always in a state of remodel. I'm such a terrible sinner, and I'm a horrible person. That's not the truth. The truth is you're worthy because God made you worthy. Your life is being transformed every day. When we spend time with Jesus and we focus on him, we focus on his word and his direction, sometimes baby steps, sometimes big steps, we start seeing transformation. You see, just a week ago, this wall was solid. This whole archway wasn't here. Come in and we demo the wall, tear stuff out, make a huge mess. But we're working towards making this whole again. And it'll look completely transformed when it's done. That's our life as a believer. Think about it. Be blessed and be God's blessing. Hallelujah.
The emptiness of being all alone. Though I'm many miles away from the home I hold so dear, Daddy's words are there still ringing in my ear. Let us pray for this day